Well, welcome back to the glass studio. I'm glad you're here. Welcome back. So today we're going to learn a little bit more about some jewelry, and we're going to first I'm going to show you how to put some new shelf paper on your shelf here. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to draw around this shelf paper just with a pencil here. Move that away. Now cut this to the size that I need. And I'm not even going to take that off. I'm going to put the shelf paper right on top.
So what is shelf paper?
Oh, last time we tried this, it was up a little too high, I think. So we're going to do a different temperature this time. See what happens, folks. So I'm just going to put a few pieces on, just some fun little things. I'm going to use some glass tack glue, just so they won't hop all over the place. I have had some that have hopped right off of the glass. So, just a few pieces for now.
Did you want this star?
No. Okay, so back in here it goes. All right, so now we're going to have David come and put it in the right temperature, lower this time. We'll see what happens.
Okay, well I think I've already set it to 1350. Not sure. Okay, so I need to come down. Okay.
All right, see how that works, eh? Okay, shutting it down. And cross your fingers.
Okay.
All right, here you go. Okay, so since we're talking about jewelry, I'm just going to show you a fun thing. I got this announcement in the mail the other day, and I thought it would be nice to make them a little charm with the picture that's on their announcement. So I tried to use the background right here. I thought the rocks would be pretty for the back, but as you can see, that gets a little bit of his shoulder there. So I thought, well, a brown color glass would look just as pretty. So we'll put that on the back. So what we have to do now is just cut out their cute little faces. Get right up against that bevel. So unfortunately, I'm cutting out this cute picture on the back, but this one was the right size, so that's the one we're going to use. I don't think my tool is very sharp. Okay, there we go. Aw. All right, so a pair of scissors and just kind of fix that a little bit there. Okay, so I'm going to put it in between these two. The bevel. Now the bevel gives it a little bit of a texture, but I think it's still cute. All right, so now I'm going to use a wider foil to go around the edge. And this happens to be a silverback foil. But you need it wide because, as you can see, it has to go around 2 layers. All right, after we've got it all the way around, we're going to snip it off. And then we're going to burnish it down. And this is a really nice gift to give them as a shower present, or maybe to put it on the top of the gift that you give, or it can even be the gift. Okay, so now it's all foil, so I'm going to bring it over here.
So if you really wanted to, you could just give it like that without soldering it at all.
I have seen them like that. I have seen ornaments. As a matter of fact, just today someone said, oh, couldn't I just foil it and have it, hanging on the tree? And yes, you can do that. So first of all, I'm going to put some flux on it, but I don't want that flux to get underneath, so I'm just going to be really careful. Now I'm using a lead-free solder because if they, by some chance, want to wear it as jewelry of some kind, we want to make sure that it's lead-free in case it has to touch their skin. All right, so now I'm going to just go around it first. Okay, so after I've tinned it on both sides, then I'm going to put it in this vise so I can get the top and the bottom, because sometimes it gets hot, and so if you're going to try to hold it, that's not a good idea. Okay, so now you put it in here. Just not too tight, but tight enough so it's not going to fall out. Okay, make sure we've got some flux on there. And here we go. Come on. Okay. Okay, so that side looks nice. There we go. Charms are not David's favorite thing to do, right?
Yeah, I said, don't ever make me do one of those again.
Okay, one more side.
Flux.
Oop. Okay, so now I have to see which side is up. There we go. Because I'm going to put a couple of rings in case they want to hang it up somewhere. I'm making sure that this comes together. And when I solder, I want to make sure and solder the slit because we don't want it to come apart. Okay, I'm going to put one on either end. I think I'm going to put it this way. Okay. So we've got some charred places here, some ash. So I'm hoping when I clean it up that that will go away. Oh, there we go. Okay, and that is about it, except for cleaning it up. And how cute! And they can put a chain, a ribbon, you know, something there and hang it on the Christmas tree or anywhere they want. So that's just one more little piece of jewelry. And if I had a smaller picture, I guess I could have just done their faces, but that just seemed too squished. But a smaller picture sometimes comes on an announcement, and so you can make it a smaller thing, and then the young lady could use it as a charm necklace, or the groom could put it on his keychain. So that's just one more piece of jewelry that we could make for stained glass. And if you have some ideas that you would like to try, would like me to try for you, then just put it in the comments. Well, we're getting ready to look into the kiln and see if these worked this time. Okay, this is our second time. Okay, not bad, but I still think they're a little too smushed down. I think I would prefer it to be more tacked,
Okay.
but we're closer. We are definitely closer.
So we're going to try 1300 degrees this time?
Yeah,
Next time?
so I'll cut some more and we'll try 1300 this next time.
Okay.
So I did want to show you the charm that we were working on last time. That turned out really cute. So there's that. And I want to tell you about a contest we're having. Now, sorry, I'm going to read it, but that's only because I want to get all the details straight. So we're having a contest, and we're giving away 2 necklaces. They're fused necklaces, and all of them are different. So they are similar as to being fused glass, but the design in them are each a little bit different. And there will be 2 winners. We thought, hey, let's just make it 2 winners. That just is double the fun, okay? So each pendant is worth $25. So that's what our giveaway, or yes, is. And in order to be in the drawing, you put your name and email and First you put your name and email address on the entry form. And to find the entry form, you click on the entry form at the end card at the end of this video. Do you see why I'm having to read this? And at the end of that video, it will say contest and discount, and that's what you click on. The contest will end next Tuesday, May 7th, so that I can tell you the winner at our Wisdom Wednesday on Wednesday the 8th. So if you happen to miss the contest, don't worry, because after the deadline you can still get a discount on one of these necklaces. So go to the link and get a discount for the fused glass pendant, or be in the contest and 2 of them will be given away. Did I get everything? Okay, so good luck, and I wear my pendant. I should have worn it today, but they're very pretty, and I think that you'll like them. So good luck.